Oh boy, I really did not think I picked up this. Oh my word, that is a lot of stuff. I really didn't think I picked up a lot. I guess I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're talking about some new makeup that I recently picked up, and I will tell you, here it is. I'm gonna pull back. I did not, what is this, Christmas? What are we talking about here? It's like a sack. I did not realize I picked up that much makeup, so I figured we could just go through it real quick. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Let me just, look at me. I'm just getting cozy. I'm getting like nervous. Let's just dive right in. I'm going to just dive. Okay, so I just had this delivered to me the other day. This is the Moira products, girl. Look, I love Michaela. I absolutely love her. I'm 54 years old. Girl, I ain't got no business buying stuff that she's recommending. I don't know. But when I see her TikTok videos, I'm like, oh hell, I have to get that product. So let's open this up, shall we? Okay, so girl, I did it. I picked up those Diamond Daze liquid shadows. I mean, how beautiful are they? So I picked up 3 of them. I got nervous. I said, oh my God, which one was she using? So I did pick up the number 10 Stardom. I think that's what she used initially. I was like, oh, that is beautiful. Who doesn't like shimmer though, girl? Who does not like shimmer? I love shimmer on the eyelid. I don't care how old you are. You do you. You do you. Well, you know, after this age, you're not supposed to wear that. You could do whatever the hell you want. How about this? Mind your businesses back there. Mind it. Mind your businesses. Do whatever the heck you want. So I did pick up that color. I also picked up 01 in Air Glow. And then I also picked up 020 in Goodness. So nice. So I cannot wait to try these products out. And while I was there, I picked up a blush months ago. And, you know, I really didn't have that good of experience with it, because first it came that they didn't have this color, and then I ordered a different color, and then the order came minus a product. Anyway, I was a little nervous, but everything came. Thank you very much. But this is, and I have to tell you the truth, these Moira products look a lot like the Kokie blushes. I mean, they look identical. But I will tell you, I think the Moira ones are much more pigmented. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. For me personally, I rather have something that is not so pigmented so I can build on it. And I think that type of formula I think is way better for like beginners or people that really don't know how to wear makeup. But these are so friggin' pigmented. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So this is the Bella Pink, the one that was sold out last time. Look how beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at that embossing. I hope this does it justice. It really, hold on, let me smell. It really looks exactly like the Kokie blushes, but these are very like dangerously pigmented, so you have to be careful about that. So that's what I got from Moira, really. Moving on to Tati, yet again. Girl, she was talking about like these Milani dual eyeshadows. Let me take them out of the packages. Whatever the hell Tati told me to do, that's what I did. Ooh, that is pretty. So this one is in Double Trouble, 150 Double Trouble. Can you see that? Ooh, that is so pretty. So I got the Double Trouble. Girl, talk about trouble. And then I picked up Soulmate. Ooh, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to try these and swatch these little lovers. I would like swatch and try some of these. I don't know, maybe we'll go back at the end, but I have so much stuff. I don't think we're gonna have time. That's how much stuff I picked up. And then the last one is BFF. Now you know this was right up my alley. Ooh, that is so pretty. Anyway, so I picked up these 3 products, and then, you know, you don't hear much about Mally. She's got some amazing products. I picked these up. These are her Ever Color Shadow Sticks. I picked them up on QVC. They were running a special. like their daily special or something like that. So these are the sticks. I'm not gonna I don't want to swatch it because then, you know, I don't think it's fair that we swatch one and we didn't swatch the other ones, but let me just show it to you. It smells like nothing. Oh hell, let me just swatch it because you really can't see them. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is just like a plain old chocolate diamond, so that's beautiful. I had her 3 shimmers, girl, it's got to be at least 10 years ago. They were gorgeous, and then I couldn't find them anymore. So they're pretty tough to find, but I did see them. Ooh, that's pretty. On QVC, this one's really pretty. This one is called Sunshine, and I think they come in a trio. So go to QVC and snatch those little lovers up while you can. And then this one, although I'm not really sure by the time this video goes up, I don't know if the sale's going to be over. And this is Peachy Bronze. Ooh, that is pretty. So these are the 3 colors right over here. Ooh, isn't that so nice? Wow. These sticks did not budge at all. They never came off my hand until I had to wipe them off with a makeup remover. They are so fantastic. If I can remember, these do not budge. You know how like when they say, oh, those long wearing, you know, stick eyeshadows, most of them, in my opinion, most of them, like, they start to crease. Even though I'll use an eye primer, they start to crease. If I'm not mistaken, and I could be wrong, it could be a different formula now, because that was, I got it again like 10 years ago. These don't budge. These do not budge. So I picked them up. Girl, move your stuff. Move it, sister. Now for Rare Beauty, look how cute. I mean, I am a sucker for bags. I'm a bag hoarder. I will confess to everybody out into the universe. I confess, I am a bag hoarder. Look how cute this is. Actually, my daughter picked up some stuff from work with, they have those really great bags with, like, they have like the fabric handles. Girl, what are you throwing that out for? I had to go get it. I know. I have a problem. I know I have a problem. You don't have to tell me. I know, but I love bags. But anyway, isn't this bag so freaking cute? Rare Beauty was having a 20% off sale. Again, I'm sure it's over by now. So I just picked up some stuff that, of course, I already used, but you know, girl, I need to back up. So I did pick up the base primer. I love this eyeshadow primer. Girl, you know I don't even use primer, but I love this one. So I have been using this one every single day. So I picked that one up. I also picked up a backup of the setting spray, which I adore. And then I picked up, what is this one? This is Empathy. I picked up, this is a lip smacking stick. Let's see. Ooh. Yep. Smells like nothing. All right, we'll swatch it. No, I don't want to swatch it. I really, really want to play with these in another video. So I got that. And then, girl, I did not want to pay shipping. I did not want to pay shipping. I was like a couple of dollars short of shipping. So I picked up these great little hair clips, which you can never have too many hair clips. So that is what I picked up there. Is that it? Let me see what else. Oh, and I just got samples. I just got samples of their concealer. And I already have her concealer, but you know, girl, you know how super duper picky I am, but I'll try it again. So I picked that up from Rare Beauty. I'm not going to have enough room on my desk, so I'm going to just move it over here. Thank you. Amen. And then, let's see here. So, you know, in a few videos ago, yes, and I believe it was also in my July favorites, I have spoken about these twice, and I don't know why people are not talking about it even more. The NYX Wonder Stick, it's like one side is a contour or a bronzer, the other side is a highlighter. Again, girl, I do not know why people don't talk about it. Girl, they came out with the blushes. They came out with blushes. Did I pick up 2 of them? Let's see. Yes, I picked up 2. And let's see. And they're like dual, obviously they're dual-ended. And how they describe it here, that you put the lighter shade on the highest point and then the darker shade right underneath. It is that is beautiful. So this one I picked up in light peach and baby pink. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not going to swatch it. And of course, you know, girl, I'm not a corally girl. I don't like coral. I'm not a peachy girl, but I did it anyway. Because every time I say, I'm not really a corally girl, and I said, well, let me just buy something anyway, girl, it always looks so friggin' good. So I made a promise that I was not going to say that anymore. So I did pick up a coral. It is Coral and Deep Peach. So that is this one. So I'm so super excited to try that. And then, see, this is where it all started. I grabbed some Laura Geller products. This is how the original Grandmaster Flash started. So, girl, I'm positive I used like Laura Geller at least 10 plus years ago. Let's see, 54, 44, probably before that. Before that. Anyway, so what I saw was this beautiful cheek tint. Girl, look how cool that is. Okay, all right. So it comes like with this little spongy applicator, which I'm not going to use, and an extra one to change it out. It looks so beautiful. Now, I have been loving cream products, not just for the summertime. You know that, like, I am 54. I have normal skin, sometimes drier in certain spots. And in the wintertime, girl, it is drier. Like, not it legit is in spots. So this looks so beautiful. This is a serum, made you blush. That is so freaking cute. I love these. I love people who are so ingenious. Although, what's the big deal? I made you blush, but in a blush, I like your thinking process. Don't pay me no mind. This is a serum blush. You're blushing. Oh, damn, girl. I know, I'm blushing. Serum Blush Cheek Tint provides a refreshing cooling sensation and the perfect watercolor-like flush of color. Hyaluronic acid and polysaccharide, I don't know what the hell that is, but I will leave right here what it means. Keep skin hydrated and protected against moisture loss for youthful looking supple cheek. The innovative serum texture dabs on smoothly without messing up makeup underneath. Go for a natural flush finish or build it up for a more pigment look. This is how it all started. Okay, let me show the picture again. This is how it started. Girl, there's no ending in sight. So while I was there again, so I picked up this baked blush and bronzer. This is the Marbleized 2-in-1. Let's see, and this is in rose bronze. This is beautiful. I mean, look how gorgeous. Ooh, this looks so nice. I'm gonna smell it. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? It almost reminds me like of the Hourglass, like their blushes, and I'm sure nowhere near the price. I'm not gonna touch it. I want to so bad, but I'm not going to. Oh, it's got a cute little mirror in here, like a little halfy mirror. That's cute. Hello, darling. Anyway, so I grabbed that, and then I grabbed this color correcting foundation. Girl, I don't do powder. I do not do powder foundation. I have the e.l.f. Don't like it, although the Fenty is nice. The Fenty is nice, but I have to practice with it. But I wanted to try it. So this is in medium. Isn't that so beautiful? That is so, so nice. So we are definitely going to try that. So this is exactly how it started. This is exactly why we're here, why we started. So that is that. Girl, I went to town again. Tati, was it Tati? I'm not even sure. I know there's one more in here. No, I lied. What? Okay, so I did grab these Maybellines, although Tati said she wasn't a fan of these. But then when I was watching other people, they really liked it. And you know how I feel about Compacty, you know, do 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 5-in-1, throw in your pocketbook, we're going away for the weekend, you know, blah, blah, blah. It's so cute and compact. I love that. So I did pick up these Maybelline shadow blocks, eyeshadows. Again, I'm not going to open them, but this one is in what, sister? This one is in shade 10, but 10 what? Is there a name on this bad boy? No, I guess it's neutral, girl. Look at that, very neutral. Very neutral. So I picked this up, and dare I say I was daring, and I picked up this one. I have been loving like these forest green, hunter green kind of shadows, which I love the ABH, the Nouveau palette. It's so nice. So I figured, let me bite the bullet, girl. I don't think I have anything like that. So I grabbed these two while I was there. I don't know why I have to fight with you, girl. You know the under eyes are tough. You know they're friggin' tough. But, you know, I did pick up this JOA Eye Serum Concealer with ceramide and peptides. I'm going to try it. So I picked that up. Somebody who mentioned this, I think Juicy Jazz. This is the beautiful Pyramid Blush. I think this is a blush cheek color. It looks like, I think it's a blush and highlight. It's called Rose Glow from Flower Beauty. Is that the most beautiful thing ever? Oh, that is so nice. These are gonna have to be in like 2 or 3 videos because I just can't, I can't pick them all. I can't use them all in once. I did finally pick up this Peachy by Petra On The Glow blush. It's like those little tinted sticks. It looks like a deodorant. So this is so, so pretty. Of course, I got it in pink. That's so pretty. And then I got the NYX, I just got a NYX eyeliner. This is a black metal. I really don't have a lot of drugstore eyeliners. I go between the Too Faced and the Makeup Forever, back and forth, but I have like 1 or 2 drugstore, but not enough for me to kind of be pulled away from those 2, so I really wanted to try that. And then let's see, last but not least, I got these beautiful, that's it. I have these beautiful liquid lips. This is a new brand called Elevate Beauty. And this is from Amanda Ensing. I'll put her right over here. I really love her and I love her message. She has been shunned or removed or whatever, if you will, from like the beauty community or some beauty stores because of her conservative and Christian values. I think that's pretty shitty. I mean, who cares? I mean, if we're supposed to be inclusive, we're supposed to be inclusive. I don't understand that. But anyway, good for her because she created her own brand. And, you know, she's the sole proprietor of her brand. So she could say what she wants, think what she wants. Good for you. And yeah, so anyway, so these are it. It is called Elevated Beauty. These are matte lips. And girl, you know I do not like matte lips. You know I don't like that, but I wanted to support her. You know how I feel about my tactile-ish, my tactility. Is that a word? No, I just made it up. They feel very silicone-y. So I picked up one of these. It's called Unfollow Me. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. That, ooh, that is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to try it. So that is called Unfollow Me. And this is called Faith Over Fear. Now, you know, if you guys have been, oh, that's cute. She's got a little message in it. The Faith Over Fear is Esther 4:14. And then Unfollow Me. Oh, it's 4:14. I'm going to have to read it. And this is, what I just say? Faith Over Fear. Wow, that's beautiful. So let me see here. So these, okay, girl, they look kind of similar. Let me pull back. Oh, yeah, there you go. And from what I understand, even if you put them together, yep. If you put them together, I think she made them that way, that if you put them together, it says Elevate that way as well. But anyway, so I'm like so super excited to try all of these products. Am I done? Girl, is that not enough? Yeah. So that's it, guys. These are some products that I picked up. Some new, some not so new, but I'm like so super, super excited to try all these out for you. Leave me some comments below. Have you picked up any of these products? Do you have a preference of which ones I try first, which ones I put together? Let me know. Leave me some comments below. I'm like so excited to dive in. I don't even know where to start. It looks like I have mostly eyeshadows and blushes. I'm not really sure, but I look so forward to sharing all these products with you. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And you guys, as always, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.